Hi everyone, this is Andrew Wood with Dan White and Associates. Thank you so much for attending our Social Security workshop that we held at the Rachel Kohl Library. Had a really good program, really good crowd, a lot of great conversation and good questions that you did have. So hopefully I was able to share with you some of my knowledge and background when it comes to Social Security to alleviate a lot of those concerns that people have. But most importantly, I want to make sure that you understand the true value in making the correct decision when it comes to when and how to file for your Social Security benefits. I do know that there is a lot of uncertainty out there, so if you want a second opinion or if you want to come in, sit down with us, have a conversation in our office, please feel free to reach out. We'll be happy to help in any way that we can. So again, this is Andrew Wood with Dan White and Associates. Thank you so much for attending our workshop. If we can help in the future, please feel free to reach out. Thank you very much.